Hi, welcome back to Creative Digital Designs. In this video, I'm going to be going over how you can create fun screen-free activities and worksheets for your kids this summer. So this video is going to be specifically targeted to parents, caretakers, or anyone that is going to be watching kids this summer. And so we're going to go ahead and get started. If you do want to watch this video because you want to create these and sell these to these specific target audience, then you can watch this as well. But let's get started. So you're going to want to have a Canva account because this is going to be a Canva tutorial. And when you sign in, you're going to go over and click on templates, and then you're going to search templates, and you're going to type in summer activities, summer games, summer coloring pages, anything like that. So I'm going to show you guys what the templates look like first. And so as you can see, they have a ton of different activities. They have word searches. They have the I Spy or Count. They have the Connect the Dots. We have some coloring books. We have some writing assignments or writing and drawing assignments. Summer activity book, trace and color. So like I said, if you're just using this for personal use, you can go ahead and just click on these and edit colors or pictures if you want. And so we're going to go ahead and see here. For example, this is a whole book already created, 8 by 5 by 11. And all you have to do is hit customize this design. So for printing purposes, if you wanted to save on that, all you have to do is select the background and make it white for less printing. And then we're going to hit change all. So it changes all of them at the same time. And as you can see, we have all 14 pages and we have everything already here. If you wanted to change any of these pictures out, you could. You could just simply go over here to elements, type in summer, type in coloring. And as you can see here, you now have all these black and white coloring things. So you could even add more pages if you wanted to. So for example, you like this summer, you want to copy this. You can hit this plus sign and they're going to bring it down. So it's not right next to each other. Then you can hit delete, this little delete button. And then you can add this right here and make it bigger. And when you select something, it shows you more recommendations. So you can just hit see all. And now you have even more summer related coloring pages. You're going to stretch it out using this right here. And you're gonna go like this. And if this was something that you wanted to sell, you could use this like outline as like a template, and you can add even more of these images or to it. You could duplicate it again, hit delete, add a different one. Make it as big as you want, centered. If you wanted to add some more text to this, you can go ahead and hit add text. You're going to hit heading, and then you're going to go ahead and type in what you want to type in. Put vacation here. If you don't like this far, I'm going to just close it in. We're going to make it larger. If you want to make this all capital letters, all you have to do is hit these three dots and hit this right here where it says uppercase. If you want to make it bold, hit bold. And then if you want to change the font, all you have to do is hit right here. And just go through and change whichever font that you like. Once you find the font that you like, you simply just place it how you want it. And then you can move on to the next one. Let me see. You could turn it to the side if you want. It's all about how you want to design it. And so I do recommend, if you are a beginner to Canva, to start out with templates, and if you are using this for personal use, then you can leave these as is and print it out, like I said, for screen free activities for your kids. If you're wanting to sell these templates yourself, then I recommend just using like the border, or maybe like this summer part, and then adding your own other text and pictures to it to create your own book, and then as many pages as you would like. All you have to do is hit duplicate. And like I said, there's so many different elements related to summer. Once you are happy with your design and or how many pages that you have, the next thing you're going to do is go over to where it says share. You're going to hit download. You're going to do a PDF print, as it says best for printing. You're going to go ahead and select this one, best per CMYK. All of the pages that you created, you're going to go ahead, unless you have a page that you don't want printed, you're going to go ahead and deselect it. But you're going to do all. Then you're just going to hit download. And so you're going to have the PDF file that you can now print from your computer. If you're selling this as a digital product, let's say you're selling this on Etsy, this is the PDF file that you're going to provide under the digital files when you make your listing. If you're selling this on Gumroad, Stand Store, anything, any platform, same thing. You're going to provide this PDF file that people can then download. And yeah, so if you are selling this, then you can go ahead and use ChatGPT to create and optimize Etsy title and description. And you can go ahead and type that in as well. So let me go ahead and show you that. You'll simply just tell it to write an SEO Etsy, or if it's your website, you can say website. You could say to rank on Google if it's your website. An SEO Etsy title, full description for a summer printable coloring book, includes 18 pages, 8 by 5 by 11 PDF file, instant digital download. You want to give it as many details as possible so they can provide it in the description and the person can know that it's a download as well. You can say fun screen free activity for kids. If you want to be specific, you could say ages 2 to 6. The more specific you are, the better, especially for your Etsy listings, because coloring pages can be oversaturated, because summer as a whole is oversaturating. You want to make sure that you have a specific targeted audience for anything that you're creating if you're selling it. Now, if this is for personal use, then obviously you don't have to worry about that. But maybe your listing will be coloring pages for road trips, and that could be a specific target audience. And these can be similar designs, or you could say coloring pages for airplane rides or summer camp coloring pages. So in order for you to sell this, you want to make sure you have all those specific keywords, because summer coloring pages as a whole is going to be oversaturated. So you could rewrite this and put specifically what I just said, for road trips, for airplane rides, for vacations, for summer camps, for just stay-at-home moms that are watching their kids. So you can use all those type of keywords to be able to help rank better, and you can create a variety of different summer and coloring pages or different activities. And we're going to go back. As you can see, you have everything here. You can tell it to give you tags as well. You can tell it to give you Pinterest pin titles and descriptions so that you can create pins to draw traffic to this Etsy listing. So there's a lot of things that you can do using Canva and AI. And so we're going to go back over here. If you don't want to do coloring pages, again, it's the same thing. You can go and click on the connect the dot. If you wanted to create bundles, you can just go ahead and do the color pages, and you can do the connect the dot as well. And as you can see, all of this can be changed out. Like I said, if you want to change out these images, you just go over to Elements, Summer, and just replace them. If you like these elements that are already here, they're showing you some other ones that are similar if you wanted to have like a similar design throughout. But again, if this is for personal use, you can edit, you can do minimum changes, or you can just print as is. If you're going to be selling this, you want to make sure that you're changing as much of the design as you can. Since this is only 3 pages, you can go ahead and add more. Let's see over here if there's any apps that have to do with connect the dot. And I don't think so. So this is something that someone manually did. Yep. Oh yeah. So they actually covered up parts of this. So this could be something that you do. You could take, if you have the time or patience to do that. They simply just took a coloring page and they put some white over it, and they put a dot all the way around it. I personally don't have the patience for that, if I'm being honest. I would try to see if there's maybe like a website where I could create this and add it on here. But let's see. Here's a word connect game. So let's see. Summer, any topic, easy, medium, hard. And I've never used this app, so just showing you guys potential things that you could create. Find all 7 words about summer using this letter below. Add to design. Show answers. Oh yeah, we definitely want to show answers. Yeah, so this is a cool app that you could possibly use. Maybe this is like a bundle along with the other things. Obviously, you want to make this background white and go like this. I see you can't really edit. Oh, right here, we possibly could edit the colors based off of this. Maybe yellow. Let's see if it actually changes it. Somewhat. Changes. Oh, so yeah, it changes everything based off of what colors you change it. It's not the prettiest design, but maybe you can put this here and then add some summer elements here by going back up to the elements and adding some summer designs to it. Something like that. Get to make sure it's not too close to the edge for printing purposes. And maybe have where they put their name here or something like that. Put summer up here with the text. So you could be creative. So maybe possibly it's definitely apps. I definitely have a video on my channel if you want to check it out on how to create bingo cards or different other activities. So if you want to check that out, you can go ahead and do that as well. But yeah, so this is how you can go ahead and go on Canva to create your summer activities. For this, it's the same exact thing. You could completely just use this as like an outline. If you wanted to do like eye count or spy, you could just get all those coloring things that I went over earlier and just add them to this box. We could go ahead and just duplicate this, especially if you're selling, you want to change it up. Like I said, you could just delete these and just add in some different ones. But you can use this as a template, keep the name, maybe change the title a little bit. Keep these boxes here, just replace with these items that we're finding. And yeah, you could use this as a template and you can duplicate this multiple times and create this to sell. Or as is if it's for your kids. So I'm going to go ahead and get to the end. If you are a parent who is looking for maybe you want even more activities for your kids, you can go ahead and check out my website, Creative Digital Designs, and I have a ton of screen-free games that they're not free, but you can go and get them. Here we have a doll scavenger hunt, 16 cards to hide. This is what can be done inside or outside. I have a ton of different scavenger hunts. I have a ton of different themed bingo cards for kids. If you are throwing any summer birthday parties, I also have customized birthday invitations as well. They're all done for you designs, but if you would like the template link, you can get that as well. I have some personalized birthday coloring pages. So anything that you need for birthday parties, screen-free activities, you can go ahead and check out my website, Creative Canva digitaldesigns.com, and you can go ahead and purchase them. Sorry. If you like this video, I appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. This channel is going to be it is about design tutorials on Canva, people who are getting into Printify and Etsy. So I'm going to be mixing it up now. I'm going to be doing content for people who are starting a business or have a business, but I'm also going to be providing videos for people who are moms or teachers who need these printouts or different things themselves, whether I want to give them a way where they can print them themselves, but also a chance to, if they don't have the time, to come to my website and check it out.